Welcome to Hidden Hilltop Homestead. I am currently working on this 4-H quilt and I'm almost done. I'm doing the last two bottom sections right now, and then when I'm done with that, I will sew the bottom section to the top section, and then I'll be doing the trim and then we'll be done. So the end of the tunnel is near for this quilt. So exciting.
It obviously worked. I did this cup. Yeah. This is the one that I'm the least excited about. I don't know if you can tell. Okay, so there are 12 cacti. These little guys, different shapes, sizes, like
Alright, we are halfway done. This is the bottom half, and then this is the bottom half, this is the top half. We're going to combine these, and then I'm going to sew a perimeter all the way around the edge, and then this one is done.
among the sizes, which as I'm kind of trying some stuff out right now. That's what's happening here. You can sit in. Yeah, I mean, move the ring light and all the yarn on the floor. Chair. All right, now that we have some desk stuff sorted out, I have an
Alright, I just finished this. All of the trim work is done. So this is ready to go in the washer. And then we'll see what else I'm going to work on. I think I'm going to start putting together this blue Christmas quilt because it's already set out. The other thing I have, work on this Grinch quilt, but this needs the X quilted and then the design laid out and stuff, whereas this is ready to go and to start assembling. So I think I'm going to do this, and then we'll work on this maybe tomorrow. I'm going to start on this blue Christmas quilt. So we have all different kinds of blues, and this is the thread I used for the back of all my squares. I'm going to save this for the perimeter of finishing the quilt because I don't have more of this on the shelf. I couldn't find it. So I have no problem sewing my squares together with this because you're sewing, we can do a different color, because you're sewing just your sides together. So this doesn't matter because you're not, it's going to be fringed and it doesn't really matter. If you're a stickler, you could match your squares if you wanted to. I don't use like a ridiculous color, but I use something similar. So for top thread, we're going to use one of these. I'll probably use this. And then for bottom thread, I'm going to move this. This is just like a light turquoise over onto a bobbin for this machine, and then I'm probably just going to take this and fill up another bobbin because this isn't going to get me very far. But I'm trying to reuse the thread that was on bobbins for my other machine, just so I don't have like full bobbins sitting everywhere. Like, this is stuff left over from other projects, so obviously if I get a chance to sew with those colors, I will. But I think I'm going to hang on to this for the top thread. We'll put this on this and we'll move that onto this one and get rigged up and ready to go.
entire bandana. So do we think we can get another one from these two? The leftover? It is later now because Caesar and I decided to do I didn't do anything at all. Took a lot of naps. So today I've been cleaning, prepping. We're making food and having people over. So I don't think I'm gonna crochet anything tonight. Okay.
Maybe I can figure this out. Okay.
Okay.
All right. See you later.
All right. Bye. Both look great. Both last 24 hours. Whole day plus 45 cents. I mean, that's a steep.
We are here.
This is row 1 and 2 of the Blue Christmas quilt. It's going good. Actually getting pretty good progress made pretty quickly, so that's awesome. But I am going to work on this and then check on the 4-H quilt. I just got the 4-H quilt out, and this is about as good as I can do right now because I don't have a lot of space, but I think it turned out so freaking cute. It's very country. Now, obviously, the like little white backgrounds stand out. And this, I need this to be a little bit taller because I'm literally almost at the floor. And this is my throw length. But I think it turned out so cute. It's country, but it's green. It's got the 4-H colors. It has the fabric. Of course, it's a little stretched there because it's, but I need a lint roll. It turned out so freaking cute. I'm gonna take pictures outside. I just wanted to show you with, you know, the lighting we have in here. But something that happened too, and this happened on all of these squares. Now it looks gray, but it's actually dark green. This had some lighter color to it, and there was a little bit of color transfer, probably from some of this like more lime colored stuff, like this right here, probably transferred a little bit of color. But there's spots that have just little washes of light green in all of these, or it's just more prominent, but it is very like cute. It's very tie-dye. Adorable. This turned out so good. I was worried it would be just more like a green blanket, but I think it is very 4-H-y. I love it. All right, so I got to row 3 and I think I'm done for the night. Again, really good progress. This looks super cute. I'm very excited for this quilt. It's adorable. So I'm gonna roll this up and put this on my craft cart, and tomorrow we will work on getting pictures and stuff. So see you tomorrow. So today I'm gonna work on getting pictures and listings put up of all the available quilts that I have right now. This is the 4-H quilt that I'm currently lint rolling, and once I get this done, I'm gonna put it in its bag and take the other 4 quilts that I have outside and do some pictures. I converted that rolling clothing rack into like my quilt holder, so I'm hoping it'll work out and I won't have any wind blowing anything over, but we'll have to see. I'm excited. I think that's gonna make things a lot easier. This is the 2 quilts I have from last year. It's a fall and a tie-dye. We have the all flannel quilt, Farm Christmas, and then the 4-H quilt here on the end. You gonna help me, Gray? I feel like this is as good as backdrop as any. I mean, you're not gonna see much of it anyways. This tie-dye one is gorgeous. I've had this for almost an entire year. I also have a video of how I made this if you're curious, because it was a lot of fun. Very cute idea.
Actually, they're there rolling around the grass again.
Kitty, Gray. Kitty, kitty, kitty. I got all of my pictures taken of those 5 quilts, and my listings have been put up on my Facebook page, so we'll just, you know, time will tell as to how soon we get those sold. Hopefully I can at least sell a couple of them, and the rest, you know, I might have to wait again a little bit closer to the holidays to see. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you had fun seeing all these quilts, and I'll see you next time. Bye!